Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. I'm having this bamboo and I'm gonna make this beautiful arabesque table. So let's show you how to do it. I will cut 6 centimeter and I divide them by every centimeter 1 I use this machine and I try to divide them here. I'll try to make those cuts, but I don't go deep. Then I'll design them very slowly. Be careful that you should not go in the center too much because you don't want to break them. Once I'm happy and fine with the final design, I will try to trim it and make it as much as neat and clean as I can. See that? Now, if I don't have this machine, I can use a fine and I can use it to give me those kind of design. After that, I will sand it with a very fine sandpaper to remove the excess. This is the final. Very careful in the joint points. Fining them like that. And it's neat and clean. I'll make 6 out of this and I color it. I use wood stain and I color it like that. 2 layers, because I want it to be this kind of dark. Now I have 6 of them because each leg will be having 2. How can I make it to be opening and closing this way? Okay, let's follow and see. Now those are the 6 legs. This 2 is for 1 leg. Now I have to put a joint like this, but how big is this joint? How can I decide the size of this joint, big or small? Okay, now this is a yogurt empty one box. I take it because I want to make it as the tray on top, this one. So I will see how big is this, because when I put it on top of the legs, it should not be out. Look, what I meant is like this. When I put it, the leg should be inside. So this is, for example, 7 centimeter. Okay, so I have to make it 1 centimeter less, and in the middle of the 6, mean 3 centimeter, I make a hole. I will tell you why. Okay, now I will make this hole. I have to use the hand, this one with my hand, not the electric one, because it's very sensitive and it can be broken easily. So I will do it slowly. So I will make 1 hole in the center and 1 hole on the side, left and right. Then after that I will make the electric one. First I start with the hand one. The reason is because it's very delicate and very small. Okay, from here and from here. Now I'm happy with this. I will make 6 out of this. I color them the same way as I color the other ones. Okay, now when I prepare my pieces, see here in the center they are all the same. I make sure that it's not blocked. Now all my pieces are ready. Let's see how can I join them in a way that they are functioning properly. First 2 legs, I take them and I join them like this, 1 up and 1 down. I mean the space in between, I keep it big. The second leg, I will put the 2 joints. I'll make sure that they should be in the center. They should not interrupt the other 2 legs up. So when they are moving, there will be enough space. You see that? If I put it here, then I cannot move it and cannot open and close. It should be some space. Okay, so now I'm deciding where the holes are going to be. Now the third leg, it's very important to put it this way so you can see properly where you will make the hole for the joint. The third one will be close to each other but in the center. Now the 3 legs I have, you see the space is different, so they are going to move inside of each other easily. You got the point? Okay, now how can I join them together? I need to join them together in a way that they are very hard. Now I know the place, I know the position, so I take the first one and I bring, this is PVA glue. I use the PVA glue because it's the best thing for wood, and I'm using here a pen. I cut it to small pieces and I put it in PVA glue and put it in those holes I made. Normally I leave it for some time till it's dry and it become hard, and that's what I prefer. Okay, I just keep it like this and I prepare them and they collect them and join them next day. Now the second leg, and let's see how can we join them. Now I prepare this, I put it here, PVA glue as well. The best thing is the PVA glue or super glue if you have. Don't ever use the glue gun. I put them and I make sure that this hole here are straight, because if I glue it and after that I find it's not in the right place, it's difficult to break it again and all those things. To avoid these things, so let's make sure from the beginning, before the PVA glue dries, that it is in the right place. Now I put the second leg, twist it and make sure it's straight. Then I have this piece. Fine. Now we go to the second piece and repeat the same thing. Okay, put the pin from both sides with the PVA glue and I join them together. Okay, both of them are here. Now if the hole is a little bit tight, I will make it a little bit loose like this with hand, not with the electric drill. Now I join them and I make sure of this because it's very important. Straight. I'm fine, I'm happy. I put it on the side so it will dry. Now go to the third one, the last one. If you see, they are very close to each other, the third one. I put here PVA glue as well and I join them together. Sometimes if the pen is short, then you have to make a big one. Fine. Again, it's very important. I leave it for some time to dry because see, they are twisting now. Now let me show you. Oh, that was wrong, so I have to open it and fix it. Thanks God it's not dry yet. Okay. Now this is the second one. You see how it is on top, on top, on top. So they are not touching each other. I leave it for some time to dry. Now I put the tray, and how I will make. See that? It's going to be like this. That's why it was very important to hold that the hole in the middle for all of them will be straight. See that? Now to make this brush tray, I'll take the yogurt box. I take a plastic tablecloth and I glue it here with any kind of glue, and this is a heat gun, something like heat metal thing, and they put in the plastic so I will have those kind of designs. Second way is that I bring this paper mat and I make it hard. How? By putting layers of PVA glue. You see that? Every time I put PVA glue, it will make it dry, transparent and hard. Then I spray it with the gold spray. In the end, you see that? It is like this. Now, these are, watch my other video. I'm going to make a video to show you how to make this booth, and as well as the Arabic guitar, oud. Those are samples of legs I have done, and I hope you like the video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. If you really like the video, please like, share, subscribe and turn the notification bell. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.